All right, we have breaking news coming in, viewers. The credit war has now broken out over the caste censors after Modi government walks the talk when it comes to the caste censors. Now, new posters have been put up, posters which you can see on your screens as well. These posters have been purportedly put up by the Congress party, posters basically seeking credit for Rahul Gandhi. Now, what we're getting to know that reportedly the Congress has put up such posters and they are giving credit to Rahul Gandhi for the caste census. Kritika, my colleague, joining us on the broadcast. Kritika, apologies, we've heard multiple opposition leaders, including obviously those from the Congress party. A credit war of sorts has broken out over the centre's caste census move. It's not just the Congress party, but other INTI allies also who are rushing in to take credit for this particular move by the Modi government.
Well, absolutely. In fact, first let me show you the visuals of the credit wars that are in action currently here at the All India Congress Committee's office on Akbar Road in central Delhi. On your screens, you're seeing this giant poster wherein a huge, in fact, cutout of Rahul Gandhi has been put up. What it says is, "Jhukti hai, dunya jhukane wala chahiye," a reference to how it is, in fact, Rahul Gandhi. It is how the efforts of the Congress party on ground, because of which now the caste census announcement has come in, also showing you how hashtag thank you Rahul Gandhi has also been mentioned on this poster. Remember, this is not just one but multiple such posters have been put up on the Akbar Road here in the AICC, at the AICC road in fact. And on your screens also you can see how the cutout, also the blurb that is attributed to Rahul Gandhi says, "Kaha tha na Modi ji ko jati jangadna karwani hi padegi, hum karwa kar rahenge." So all credits here by the Congress politician Srinivasan BV being attributed to, in fact, Rahul Gandhi. Remember, yesterday also in the press conference, Rahul Gandhi had spoken multiple times about how it is due to the efforts of the surveys done in both Bihar.
You're right, you're right. We have Niyamika also, my colleague, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, Rahul Gandhi rushing in to take credit. BJP obviously hitting out, fact-checking the Congress party, not only reminding the party of its own past, but also, quote-unquote, as the BJP is calling it, caste census confusion when it comes to the Congress-run states, isn't it?
Well, yes, since yesterday we have seen that various Congress leaders on social media have, given their thanks to Rahul Gandhi in particular, saying that it is because of his continuous demand that finally the central government has agreed upon conducting the caste census, and that is what is being seen in this particular poster as well, which is being put out by the former IYC president, Mr. Srinivas BV, at Akbar Road in the national capital. As for that reason, we have seen that on social media platforms also various Congress leaders have thanked Rahul Gandhi by saying that it is because of his demand, the manner in which he was putting pressure upon the central government inside the parliament as well as outside the parliament, that finally the central government has agreed upon this demand.